YouTube and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. And if you want, leave a comment with moi and let me know how you like the videos. Let me know how your day was and so forth and so forth. Now, today's video has been tried before. I can probably insert what I did the last video, but it's just a wash video and I can probably show you guys now. Again, in my last video I told you guys that I can't really braid my hair in the back because, again, my hair is longer up front and shorter in the back. I am growing out an undercut in my sides, and it's just hard for me to braid it. Plus, with my nails and all that, it's just, I'm not really good, and I'm not really good at doing hair, period. So I get help. So as you can see, this time I got my lovely coworker to braid my hair, and she really kind of did some cornrows back here, because in this side back here I really can't like have them plaited very well, because the last time when I plaited them and washed my hair, it was a bit like it just kept unraveling. So I'm hoping that, because tomorrow is my first retie, that I don't have any stragglers. And the more I have stragglers, the more I fear that they will start bunching. So, and bunching is when the lock basically forms like a bunching effect at the top of it. So you have hair, like if this is a strap, you have hair down here, but it's like a whole bunch of hair clumped together right up in here. I don't want that to happen to my hair. Again, I'm trying to make this process as smooth as possible, because again, my lovely consultant will charge me extra if she has to fix certain things, and I ain't got no money like that. Sis is broke, and Sisterlocks, it ain't cheap. So yeah, here we go with this video of how I'm going to braid my hair, and hopefully we'll get into some shampoo. Oh, speaking of the shampoo, so the last time I did use it, and I showed you guys in my installation video, I couldn't think of the name. I showed y'all in my installation video that I got the Sisterlocks shampoo in my little kit box. Don't use that, sis, bruh. That it ain't worth it. Like, it don't set up. You put it in your hand, do like this, it doesn't foam, no nothing. You put it in your hair, it just feels like you're just putting water in your hair. I'm not paying no more money for that. And two, I need something that I know is going to cleanse my hair. Already, I can't put oil in my hair. What makes you think I'm going to be strict, or not be strict with my, shampoo? Like, I want something that I know is going to cleanse my hair. Anyways, I ended up using some old shampoo that I had already here that I was using for my traditional locks, which was a clarifying shampoo, and it was what is it called? I don't really remember what it's called. It's like Eden Peppermint Tea Tree Shampoo, I think is what it's called. I got it from my local Target. I think I paid like $6. Either way, I'll leave the name of it and maybe a link for it in the description box below. So yeah. Anywho, let's get into this. And first off, let me take my rings off. I don't want my rings to snag my hair. It's bad enough that my nails are lifting. I need to do them. So yeah, I'm just going to take little sections. And maybe I should start in the back, because nope. Let's start in the front. So I'm going to take little sections. And I just got over a cold, y'all, so please bear with me if I keep sniffling and all that other jazz. I know I'm recording now. If you see this, hey Jean, thanks for commenting on my last video. Hey, I'm gonna read it once I get done. But hey, So yeah, I'm just going to keep a loose plait. Now, again, I'm not really good at plaiting, so I gotta take 3 sections, but again, I'm gonna try to keep it as loose as possible so that my hands can get into the braid and go and wash at my scalp, especially in this section since it's very, 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 very dry. Like this right here, all of my frontal area is my dry spots. So I want to make sure that I keep these braids as loose as possible because I don't want to not be able to properly wash my hair with it. So yeah, I'm just going to braid this. I think I'm supposed to do it all the way to the end. So that's what I'm going to do. So yeah. And now that I have that, I'm just going to twist that right here. Because I'm scared that I'm not supposed to do that. And the last time when I was unraveling my hair, it got to the point where I couldn't unravel that braid. And it felt like I was plucking at some of the, or maybe undoing it. I don't know. That's just, maybe it's just my fear, but yeah. So like I told y'all, my consultant gave me a bunch of elastic bands. In your Sisterlock kit that comes in the box with your certificate and everything, you're going to get the rubber bands. It's colorful. I don't have any right here. I used them the last time. I thought that I was going to like those better. And I like these, the elastic ones, the little plastic looking ones, because it's easier to pop opposed to pull out your hair. And then those rubber ones tend to pull at your hair too because you can't, pull them off, but these you can break. So I'm just going to take my hair and I'm going to show y'all how I'm just bending it over like that. I had a hard time doing this the last time. And I'm just going to basically just tuck that in and rubber band that tuck. Making sure that I get all up in there and keep that rubber band being tucked. My nails is lifting. I'm going to do another nail video because this ain't it. But I need to find some stuff that can withhold a week or two. Like, I'm really trying to get my nails to the point where I can just go a whole month without doing my nails. But this is not a nail tutorial. It's how I wash my hair. So again, taking another small section, spreading that section into 3. And then I'm going to loosely braid it, trying to leave a little leeway at the base of my scalp or base of my hair so that I could just basically properly wash. I'm going to keep braiding until I can't braid no more. And once I get at the ends, I'm just going to kind of like twist it. For the fact that I don't know if I'm supposed to be braiding all the way to the end. So again, I'm going to tuck that. Take a little rubber band. That should have already been out. And again, like I said, I'm going to tuck it. And then I'm taking my little elastic rubber band and I'm going to secure that little tuck and braid. And that's that. See you on the flip side because I don't want this video to be too long. And yeah, I'll see you not when I take them down, but I'm probably not going to bring you to my retie either. Not my consultation. I don't even know why I keep calling it consultation. To my retie appointment. Maybe I'll see y'all after. So So yeah, I'll see you after my retie appointment tomorrow because that's at 7 a.m. And I'm new to this vlogging thing, and I'm gonna tell y'all now, I ain't thinking about no camera at no 7 a.m. So yeah, see y'all later. Bye. Yeah, this is the finished product of my braiding band. This is how I normally look when I am going to go wash my hair. As I'm washing my hair, like I said, I like to leave, well, you're supposed to leave a bit of space so that you can get your fingers in. Because the back is cornrowed, that leaves me a little to no room a little bit, but I like to take, if I can get one out. Okay, so back to what I was saying. I like to take felt tips, lip gloss applicators. So I would take these lip gloss applicators, they're felt, and in hard to reach areas, I like to go in between them and start scrubbing. And I do this because sometimes my fingers are a little too big to go up underneath the cornrow, and because my hair is, again, super short in the back, not so short, but it's short that I can't really get underneath there without unraveling the braid, I'm just going to use these. Hey YouTube, so I am back now. As you can see, it's a new day, got new clothes and everything. I have my braids out that was originally done yesterday so that I can wash my hair and then go to my 1 month free tie. That is done and over with, and I'm extremely excited to say it's my 1 month. My babies are 1 month old. A couple things that I have noticed so far is basically just shrinkage and lots of it. In my previous videos, this was a little bit longer. I think now it has formed the shape that it was supposed to be in, like the pixie cut, grown out pixie cut. And I kind of like it, kind of don't like it, but at the same time, it's a cut and it'll grow out. I do think that my hair has grown out a bit more than what it has. It's not like extreme growth. I'm only noticed about maybe a couple centimeters, if that. Again, that's just my eyes. Again, it's really like real life shrinkage. But I do notice that this was touching, so I was like, okay, you doing a little something. But yeah, she said everything was good, to keep doing what I'm doing. So again, I'm washing every 2 weeks. I'm using witch hazel. I don't think I told y'all that before, but I do use witch hazel in the between my washes, and I use those felt tips that I showed you in the previous clip. Again, on my scalp, around in my problem areas. Again, my problem areas, as you can see, it's washed, so now it's not that bad. You can see my grid again. Let's go up a little bit more just so you can see like the whole deal. You can see my grid a bit more, whereas yesterday you couldn't. I live for a grid. I live for clean lines. This time she did a bit of a little side part, and it's cool. But like I said, there's no real difference in my hair that I've noticed within the month. So I'm good to go, and I can't wait till next month and see what that brings. I am scheduled to go every 5 weeks now, so that's not I mean, it's good. I would love to go later. Again, price and being cost efficient. But other than that, again, I'm good. No slippage, no bunching. She said everything was good. And again, so I'm rambling at this point. I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in. Again, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for more content from me. And yeah, see ya on the flip side. And also, oh, don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what you're doing. Stop, bear. Come here. You want to say hi? Come here, bear. Y'all want to see my dog, y'all? Come here. Come here, bear. No, she hi to the camera. This is my dog, Bay Bear. He is 9 months old. He is a pug Shih Tzu mix. He's my mutt. You say hi. He's normally not allowed in this room, so when I say come here, he's like, you want me to come here? So yeah, just stuff him, not stuff on the floor, but I just don't want him to find something that I didn't, I don't see and put in his mouth. He's still a baby, and vet bills are expensive. So yeah, I hope you guys have a blessed one. Bye. Say bye, bear. Bye, bear. No bite. Say bye. Oh, thank you for my kisses. Thank you. Thank you. This ain't cute. I need some lip gloss. But, and yeah, she out.